Hello everyone, my name is Shubhangi Nejasure. In the last video, we learnt the first verb in French, être, to be. I hope you all have practiced it. In this video, let's learn the next verb, avoir, to have. Let's begin to learn. Avoir, to have. The conjugation of avoir verb is in first person singular form is J, which means I have. Look at the word J, J apostrophe, because J E and A I. In these two words, E and A clashes. That's why it has become J apostrophe. Plural form is nous avons. We have. Now, the second person singular. Tu as. You have. Plural is vous avez. You have. Now, the third person. As you all know, third person has masculine and feminine forms. Il a. He has or it has. And the feminine is elle a. She has or it has. The plural form is ils ont. They have. Elles ont. They have. So the conjugation of the verb avoir in French is j'ai, tu as, il a, elle a, nous avons, vous avez, ils ont, elles ont. Let's see some examples and frame sentences. J'ai a stylo. I have a pen. J'ai deux crayons. I have two pencils. J'ai une horloge. I have a wall clock. J'ai un étudiant. I have a student. Look at the spelling of étudiant. It has E at the end. That means it is a girl student. J'ai des livres. I have some books or I have books. Let's see some more examples using nous avons. Nous avons deux stylos. We have two pens. We all have learned the numbers in French. Nous avons des crayons. We have some pencils. Nous avons une horloge. We have a wall clock. Nous avons des étudiants. We have some students. Please note the spelling of student has es at the end. So it is girl students. Nous avons un livre. We have a book. Tu as une gomme. You have an eraser. Tu as une règle. You have a ruler. Tu as un cahier. You have a notebook. Tu as un sac. You have a sack. Tu as une maison. You have a house. Vous avez des gommes. You have some erasers. Vous avez une règle. You have a ruler. Vous avez des cahiers. You have some notebooks or you have notebooks. Vous avez a sac. You have a sac. Vous avez deux maisons. You have two houses. Let's see some more examples. Il a frère. He has a brother. Il a une sœur. He has a sister. Il a une voiture. He has a car. Il a stylo. He has a pen. Il a une maison. He has a house. Some examples using ils ont. Ils ont a frère. They have a brother. Ils ont une sœur. They have a sister. Ils ont une voiture. Ils ont des stylos. Ils ont une maison. You might have noticed for a plural subject we have used singular noun as well as plural nouns. For a singular subject you can use singular noun as well as plural nouns. Elle a une robe. She has a dress. Elle a des livres. She has some books. For a singular subject, we have used singular noun as well as plural noun. Elle a une bague. She has a ring. Elle a deux sœurs. She has two sisters. Elle a une montre. She has a wristwatch. Now the plural of elle a is elles ont. Elles ont des robes. They have some dresses. Elles ont des livres. They have some books. Elles ont a jardin. They have a garden. Elles ont a frère. They have a brother. Elles ont a ordinateur. They have a computer. Here, they means feminine plural. You might have noticed here also we have used singular noun as well as plural nouns. See you all in the next video. Till then, practice hard. If you like this video, share, like and subscribe too. Thank you. Merci.